Sorry to pause it so soon. Let me just listen this note again. I really love, and I think it is because I cannot do.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel Buah Musik Dalam. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat dua reaktor asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan salah satu dari reaktor ini adalah seorang penyanyi somatik ya guys ya. Oke, seperti apakah keseruan dari reaksi mereka? Langsung saja kita gaskan.
If it is your first time here, my name is Monica. I love music, I love dance, I love sing. It is gonna be your suggestion, Putri Ariani singing Somebody to Love. I am not a huge Queen fan, but there are some songs that I really like, and
Ya, ini
that
adalah
is one
lagunya
of
Queen
them.
ya guys ya.
I really wanna listen on her voice, so let's do this together now.
We're about to react to Putri singing Somebody's Love by Queen, which, by the way, I've already done a video on, wearing no top altogether, and it completely bombed. But that doesn't matter. So sit back, relax, and come with me into the absolutely sensational vocal world of Putri Ariani.
Goosebumps already.
Baru mulai langsung merinding ya guys ya.
I love this song. Soul. Such a classic song.
Sorry to pause it so soon. Let me just listen this note again. I really love, and I think it is because I cannot do it all. So, okay.
I like it.
I spit on my ears and believe in you, but I just can't get no relief without somebody. Oh, somebody. Can anybody find me? Somebody to love.
Butuh teknik yang sangat sulit ya guys ya.
Every day in my life, I work till I ache my bones. At the end of the day, take home my heart I pay all on my own.
Taste
I
vocal
get
shape.
down on my knees and I start to pray till the tears fall out from my eyes.
And again.
Somebody, oh somebody, can anybody find me?
Big note.
Somebody to love.
Yeah! Oh my god, come on. I was always going to stop it there, right? Now, if you've ever seen one of my videos before, you know I like to use the word somatic. I mean, it's in the title, for God's sake, the somatic singer.
I get down on my knees and I start to pray till the tears fall out from my eyes.
Wait.
Oh,
Sorry, I know it is not a good part to pause. I don't have a good part to pause. She's putting so much energy in this song. At the beginning, of course, there was the soft voice, lovely.
can anybody find me? Somebody to love. Every day I try, and I try, but
Nice.
everybody wants to put me down. They
Sing.
say I'm going crazy. They
Luar
say
biasa
I got
Putri ya
a
guys.
lot of water in my brain. I got no common sense. Got nobody left to believe.
Nice. Lovely inflection.
Gotta feel I ain't got no return.
Nice.
I just keep losing my beat. I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm gonna face no fate. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free.
I will go back to Suport. I wanna listen again. See how she's opened them out like it works very well in this one. This one needs power, but also I can see some Putri Ariani is spicy, let me call like that.
Take it home.
Find me somebody to love.
Start low.
Somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me
Yeah.
somebody to love. Ooh. Find me, find me, oh find me somebody to love. Get anybody find me. Somebody to love.
Wait, I wanna
Akhirannya
listen
sangat luar
this
biasa sekali,
right
guys, ya.
again, and that is the part that he goes soft, talking about Fred Mercury. She was very close to the original. I like that as well. If you can do a classic song like that,
Somebody to
Oh, I love that air.
love.
I didn't know what you were going to do there. Oh, excellent. Excellent. And there we have it, all wrapped up my fourth reaction to Putri Ariani. You know, come on, what am I going to say about this girl? Apart from the fact that I absolutely love her. I really, really do.
beautiful. The song is beautiful. The interpretation, just the fact that she's playing piano and singing at the same time, for me it is amazing, because I'm not able to play anything. I have my imaginary instruments here. And what else can I say about her?
So Queen songs really are so difficult to sing, for me anyway. You know, because they're just so layered
lagu-lagu Queen
musically and
memang dikenal
vocally.
sangat
And the
sulit, ya,
keys,
guys,
you know,
ya.
the original keys, they're just so high. You know, for a bloke anyway. Because let's face it, Freddie Mercury, he had one of the best voices, I think, to ever grace the planet. He really, really did.
I think I pointed out some things during the video, because now I am a specialist. All I can say is the song was very beautiful on her voice. She was very close to the original. I like it. And send more suggestions. And I hope you enjoy the video. I really love it. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. And I hope it is gonna be very soon. Bye.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video-video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.